Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to take few trades according to the market situation. So let's start trading. Okay, you can see here I am seeing a dark cloud pattern. Okay, so this is a next candle, so I need to set the areas. So now you can see this is the next level. Okay, so in this zone you can easily see that how many opportunities we are having here. Okay, it is a gap up opening, so I will not trust. Okay, now you can see here this is the key level. Okay, I am focusing on the levels and also on the key levels. So again, this is the level. Okay, this is the level. Now you can see each and every formation is set. Now you can see the candle is in between the area, so therefore the candle is going down, but our next move will be here, it will be here, or it will be here. So let's see. Okay, a strong candle, a sign of reversal. Okay, momentum is getting much stronger, so I can go here easily with the buyers. Now you will see the market will definitely close as a bullish. There is no doubt about it. Why? You can see here this is a momentum. You can see here this is a breakout of this area, and after that we can expect a buyer's entry. And you can see there is a level, candle closed here, strong candle with no rejection, so it is a Marubozu candle, a sign of reversal, so therefore we can easily expect a buyer's entry. Okay, market is going up, so it has to close as a bullish. Okay, so right now, okay, again market closed exactly at the level where sellers entered, so I will wait here. Why? Because you can see there is a gap down opening, but the opening is with the buyers area, so again I can go here with the buyers too. Okay, so the market will go up again. Why? If you analyze the market here, let me show you here the area. Okay, you can see here candle closed here, and this is the level, this is a key level, so therefore the next candle will go up and it opened exactly to the key level, so therefore I took my trade in an up direction and we will win this trade here for sure. Okay, now again you can see candle closed above this area, so I can expect a momentum also. Okay, now you can see here, if I want to show you here, you can see this is the level. Okay, so this is the level, but market closed a bit above from this one, making a new high, so I'm not seeing any kind of level here. The next level is here. Okay, so still there is a gap, we can expect a buyer's entry also, so therefore I am not taking any kind of trade here, so I will wait. Okay, I will wait here. I need to set this area, so now the levels are totally clear. Okay, I can go here with the buyers confidently. Why? Let me show you here why I took this trade. You can see here the candle closed here, okay, with a rejection, and if you analyze the market, this is the key level, for the engulfing, so it will go up for sure. There is no doubt about it. You will see. Okay, market will get a rejection, so I need to secure my trade, no issues, but the market will definitely close as a bullish. I took a trade here with the margin of safety, but the market will definitely go up. So you will see the market will definitely close as a bullish. I am explaining each and everything step by step to you all, so there is no need to worry about the trades. Okay, the market has to go up and it has to close as a bullish. There is no doubt about it. I know the candle will close as a bullish. Okay, so let me show you here. Okay, again candle closed here. Okay, so now I will wait here. Why? Because you can see there is a very big gap down opening, so there is no need to consider this one. I have drawn already the levels. So now if the candle closes this time here, you can see, as I told you before, let me draw it clearly. Let me show you here. Okay, I will show you here why this candle reversed. I have two opportunities, therefore this candle went up. So now candle crossed the level, but I need to show you here one thing, that why this candle reversed. So I need to change the color. Okay, now you can see here market came down, went up, came down, went up. Okay, again it is coming down, closing exactly at the level, again went up. So this is your head and shoulder pattern. You can see here market went up, came down, again went up, again came down, again. If it goes up, it will be your next head and shoulder pattern. So you are getting the situations and opportunities almost every 2 minutes, so therefore there is no need to worry about the trades. Okay, so now if I want to go and check, okay, there is no level, so I will wait here. Okay, this is the level, this is the next reversal zone. Market went down, comes to this level and closes here. We will take our trade in a down direction. Okay, so let me show you here the trades. I took my trade here in an up direction because of the momentum, because of the breakout. So therefore after breakout I can expect here a buyer's entry, so therefore the next candle went up. Okay, so here I took another trade. You can see candle closed exactly at the level, and I showed you this. The candle closed here. You can see this is the level, so therefore market went up. Okay, so let me show you my third trade. As I told you, the candle has to go up because this was a good opportunity for me, a good opportunity, and you can see it was a head and shoulder pattern, it was a level. So therefore I took my trade here with so much opportunities, with so much confirmation, so therefore I won this trade. So this is the way you can easily take your trades. So this is how we can make the trades easily. So if you are seeing here a movement, so you need to check that what kind of movement, what kind of pattern the market is forming, then you can easily take your trade. Okay, so now let me show you here. You can see this is a pattern which is an engulfing pattern here. This is the key level. So you can see here now the candle if the candle closes here, I can go here with the buyers confidently because the next level is here. So let's see. Okay, I need to draw another level because I want to get the opportunity. So this is the level. Okay, so this is the level, this is the next level. Okay, so market is coming to the level. Okay, it can be a continuation sign, so I took my trade here in a down direction because you can see here I'm not seeing any kind of level here in this zone. Still there is a gap to the level, buyers are here, there is a gap, so market will definitely come down. It will hit the previous level, key level, and market will hit and go down. You will see we will definitely win this trade also, and this is a dark cloud pattern also, so we will easily win this trade. So this is the way to take your best trade according to the market situation. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and as always I ask and request you all help each other because this channel is for you all, and here you can easily win your trades by analyzing the market like this. So stay blessed you all, have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye for now, and must watch this. Okay, I'm going to, okay, let me show you here that must watch and win. Okay, so by viewing the video you can easily win your trades, you can easily learn the things easily. Okay, so you need to focus on this video, you need to learn what I did here, then you can easily learn how to take your trades. So have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye for now, and stay blessed you all. Bye.